Hello, welcome to Simple Inventory Manager. I will now show you two features that are now available for 3PL logistics for people making storage for their customers. So what we have here is a standard SIM interface, except that we are dealing with weight, length, width and height of the product. And this feature enables you to have automatically the update of the volume in this line. If I double to 8 width, you can see that the volume will move from 0.12 to 0.256. So volume calculation is 1 point. The other point is that when I enter a product into the stock like this, I have to specify the customer name. Okay, this time it's customer 1, the quantity is 4, and then when I have entered my quantity, I can see the quantity has changed. If I look into the logbook, I can see that the move has been recorded, but more than that, I have a new tab called storage, which tells me that this customer, Mr. Customer 1, has 4 products in my warehouse, and the beginning date is here. Now, a couple of days after, the product will be output from stock. So I select the product and I remove it because it goes back to the customer, which is customer 1, and I save the movement. It tells me that there are still 3 products stored into my shelves, and when I look into the storage, I can see the quantity. And when I click on this button, I can print the bill of the storage, and I can edit a view and change the unit price for the storage, and the total will be updated according to the number of days, the entry date, the outcoming date, and the quantity. Of course, this is just a sample of what you can have. You must remember that we also have a print button to make a bill exactly the way you want it. You can of course export data to Excel or anywhere, and this software can be customized without any limitations. Thank you very much.